In North City, Sk8 Liborious has built a reputation as a sanctuary for skaters, artists, and for kids to explore creative outlets in a safe environment. But on June 28th, a 4-alarm fire brought all of that to a blaring halt. Oh my God.
You know, if it wasn't so precious to me, it was that's a thing to see. It was spectacular. It was spectacular. Have you ever seen a building this size completely engulfed in flames?
Co-founder Dave Bloom has dedicated his time and resources over the past 10+ years, flipping the Gothic revival church of St. Liborious to Sk8 Liborious. I mean,
It just sucks, in my life, I've definitely taken some L's before. This is a big L, but other people took it too. It's not all me, everybody involved. That's been the thing that's been really dope, is to hear how much it meant to people. I've never helped to build something and then have it get destroyed and it mean enough to dozens of people that they come by and cry just to see, have closure and it's gone. I don't know. I wish we would have pulled it off.
Their gathering place may be gone, but the dedicated community of Sk8 Liborious that put their hearts into keeping up with the building's maintenance showed up in droves to help with the damage.
We need to try to preserve what is here, and we're on a time clock. With the weather, with an open roof, the elements can get into the bricks and it could ruin everything. So we are on a massive time crunch, maybe 2 to 4 months, to raise as much money as possible so that we can preserve what is left, because that is our goal. What could happen is that we don't raise enough money and it just becomes another ghost of North St. Louis, but we do not want that. We want to stay here for North St. Louis and for our community. There are a lot of people that use this place to become a better them. There is a lot of work to be done and we need help.
That's part of the thing that's very heartbreaking to me. It's not, a lot of the stuff is it's not replaceable because our world is different now. And so they don't make things like that anymore.
There are many legal, regulatory, and financial aspects to get it up and running again, but they are dedicated to carrying out their mission, whether it's finding another church, adapting to the remaining structure, or literally rising from the ashes. For Living St. Louis, I'm Brooke Butler.